Well, we're here in Pueblo, the steel yard. Get this out of the way. No sense of lying to people. But I haven't been here in a long time. In fact, me and another driver was talking about it, and we ain't heard of nobody that came out here a long time, prime anyway. Lo and behold, after I dropped that load off in Colorado Springs, this is where they sent me. I was hoping to get pipe, but coils will work, pipe's easier. Here we're going to take it on down to Texas, and really close to where I live. It's going to be hard not to go home. And that dust is a blowing. Look at it. It's like a wall coming towards us. I don't know if y'all can pick that up. Dusty. He's in West Texas. I'm so glad I ain't got a tarp in this crap. I wouldn't even try it. I really wouldn't. It'd take 4 people to tarp in this. And I hope he's got the right ones on there. They good?
Yep.
You scared me there. You shaking your head.
Well,
the wind? Alright.
just go on the scale first. Give me paper. If you need anything.
Alright, we'll go back in there and get the paperwork after.
Man.
You too. I'll talk to you later.
Yep.
Ugh, that scared me. Over there shaking his head. Them porta cans were just tired of being shit on. Maybe they on strike. Made it to our 90. All them coils are slinkies. They got a buttload of them, don't they? They're selling, using. Check with guard before proceeding. Where the hell's the guard? Maybe he's up there in that shack. Alright, let's go check this out. Get unloaded. Like they just chunking them boards over there. I can get out of here better. I ain't wasting no time. I'm gonna go over there to Houston. We are dropping this trailer. And then we're gonna bobtail. Basically gonna bobtail right back where we are. Then we go 4 miles down the road. That's it. I don't know if y'all noticed the way I put these on there. When you do this, you always want to run that end that you're going to be tightening on, that's going to go in your winch. You want it up underneath. If you put it across the top, what it does, it pinches it off that one and you'll never get it tight. I learned that the hard way. But we are going to take us some much needed time off. We've been on the road since right after New Year's, and I ain't seen my house since, or anything else that's good. I'm gonna go home, get some of that good stuff, eat, and take about 4 days off. I think I deserve 4 days off. Running me up here in the northeast almost this whole time, and all that weather. 20 degree below weather. No bunk heater. Let me tell you, it gets cold when it's negative 20 and you ain't got no heater. I don't care what people say. You get to know your dog real good. Because buddy, we was in there. We was holding each other tight. We was not messing around. We made it. We made it through.